Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food. Today we're gonna be making another pakoda recipe and it is the sev ke pakoda. So these pakodas are gonna be loved by so many people because it has the core element sev, and sev is a popular favorite of Indoris. Indoris cannot imagine their life without sev. So all Indoris out you there, you should definitely try this recipe. This is easy, this is quick, and this is yummy. Also, I'm doing this pakoda series for the month of July where I'm gonna be sharing so many pakoda recipes for this monsoon season. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to it so that you do not miss any recipe from me. Also, press that bell icon so that you are notified whenever I upload any video. If you wanna know how I made this recipe, then please keep on watching. So guys, we're gonna start by taking this Agrawal's 420 Moong Bhajiya instant pakodi mix. I am using Moong Bhajiya mix over here as the outer coating for pakodas. You can also prepare any batter of your choice to make the outer coating of pakodas. And here we're gonna empty it out in a bowl. Then add water to this Moong Bhajiya mix to make a batter out of it. I will be mentioning the complete ingredient list in the description box below. Now let's cover this batter and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now for the pakoda mixture, take some finely chopped onion. To it, add 1 teaspoon of mint coriander chutney. Then add about half cup of sev to this mixture. Top it with some salt according to your taste. And then mix all of this really well to form a mixture like this. Then taking really small portions of this mixture, make balls out of it. You just have to press it all together to make small balls out of this mixture, and I was able to make about 5 balls of this size of this mixture. You can increase the amount of ingredients to make more pakodas. After 15 to 20 minutes of wait, take these balls and dip them really well in the batter that we prepared earlier. Make sure to cover it from all the sides with the batter. Now drop these pakodas in medium hot oil to fry. You can keep stirring them occasionally. Once they turn golden brown in color, take them out on an oil absorbent paper. And your yummy sev ke pakode are ready. Enjoy them while they are hot with some chai. So I hope you liked this recipe. If you liked it, do let me know in the comments down below. Do give this recipe a try, and if you try this recipe, you can also let me know on my social media handles. The link for all my social media handles would be given in the description box below. Do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, stay tuned for more pakoda recipes that I'm gonna be posting in this month. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.